Looks a little gray. Yeah. Well, it's not nice outside. Let's take a look at Ohio Fred's canna lilies. I apologize if the lens gets wet. It's still raining. Canna lilies are about 6 feet tall, and they got the flowers on top. Great job, Ohio Fred. Great job. Now over here, we got pepper. We got pepper, 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 pepper. Ooh, look at that bad boy right there. Look at this one right here. Oh yeah, man. That's ready to get picked. We'll put this right on the table. Got a little green. Size of my hand. Oh look, even had a flower. I got one more pepper to pick. Don't get seasick when I do this to you. Oh yeah, look at this pepper. Pepper, 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 pepper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, more flowers. Right there. Pick that bad boy. That's lunch. Oh yeah, man. Don't you just love that pepper? I hope you enjoy the pepper. Gonna shish kebab it and enjoy it. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy pepper.